Welcome back, guys. So right now, let's talk about generating videos directly with consistency view. What do I mean by that? Before I showed you how to generate characters with images, then you convert those images to videos. But right now, I want to show you how to create videos directly without you creating the characters in images. Then you cannot convert to videos because that's the best way you can get a consistent character. But right now, we want to use video to create consistent character, like generating videos directly. So an example of a tool I will use is Leonardo because it is a video generator and we can use that to generate whatever we want to generate. So right now, I would say I'll use ChatGPT as well. So like I said, I've shown you a website where you could get discounted products. This same website still valid for what we are doing right now because we're going to get Leonardo AI at a discounted rate on the same websites. Then I'm using ChatGPT as well to do whatever I want to do. So I'm using the ChatGPT Pro, which is ChatGPT Business, which can be gotten on this same website. So you could see when you scroll through, you could see different tools right here. Some of the tools you would need, like I could actually list them out for the things I didn't discuss. So you need something like this Canva AI too. Then you will need something like this ChatGPT Business for 1 year. You could actually use them for free. You don't have to pay. Then you use something like this, which is Leonardo AI, which is a premium image and video generator for 1 year, and it is limited. Of course, you have 8,005 credits. So let's go back to Leonardo AI. You will check the pricing right here. This same this same plan that is 15,000 naira right here, which would have been 230,000 naira if you were to get it directly from Leonardo. So Leonardo has a pricing system for solo, which is individuals. We are free. We have $12 for 1 month, which includes 8,005 token for a month, and every other thing comes with this. So this is the plan you are getting for this price. So let's go back to Leonardo and let me start now right away. So I'm going to use Leonardo to start whatever I want to do, and this way, this same plan is what I have right now. This same plan I just mentioned, this essential plan. So when you come right here, you see Leonardo AI, and here you see my token, which is 8,005, as you could see from there. So right now, let's try to use the video generator mode. So right now, let's try to use the video generator model to do whatever I want to do. So I'm going to click on video. So it takes me to video directly right now, which is the video interface for Leonardo. So I'm using the video model directly. Like I said, the idea is to get a consistent character. And here we have different AI models or different models that could create videos for us. So we have Clean 3.0. You can see start frame, end frame, audio. So this one you could add images for a start frame, and you could add an end frame images, and you could add audio as well. But I won't be using this Clean Video 3.0 because this is credit based and you have to be careful how much credit you use. So if I click on Clean Video 3.0 and duration is right here, you could do duration up to 15 seconds right here. If I had done that, I would have spent a 2,520 token out of what I have. But right now, there are still other models and they are cheaper models. So come to Motion 1.0. Motion 1.0 needs an image to work, so you need a start frame. That's what it literally means. So when you see start frame, that's you converting videos or images to videos. That's what you need a start frame for. If I were to do this, I'll be spending 25 token out of my token, and it's going to give me the result I want since I have a start frame, and that would have worked perfectly since I have images, and those images can be converted to a motion kind of image by adding the image and you would be able to get that. But basically, that's one model right there. And we have other models right here, which is 2.0 fast. So this is 2.0 fast right now, and this just works with prompts directly. So you could do your motion control with this. So there are a lot of motion control. You could have done a crane down, you could have done a crane overhead with this motion 2.0 fast. You could have done a crane up. And when you look at this, you'll see what you are about to use for whatever you're doing. You could have done a dolly in, you could have done a crash zoom out. So these are actually ways to control your camera, and these I would have used in an effect where I want to start a movie or an animation. So right now we could use this to do whatever we want to do. So you have your motion control, yes. We could leave it at none. Then you have your motion element. So you have your motion element right here, and your motion element now has anime like features. See, this now has 90s retro anime. This has CGI neo, and this has claymation, which is some of the things we've talked about. So we have the Fated, we have editorial blog, we have dream core, and there's so much more. So you could actually come right here to see what you're having. You have old school comic right now, you have pixel art, you have quiet blue horror. So there are a lot of animation you could have actually made from here directly. So this is your absolute anime creator. But right now, you could have chosen 90s retro anime as the motion element. Then your prompt could have been enhanced or not. But since we want a consistent like character set, we don't need the enhancement. So we're going to make sure that it's turned off already. And you have your style, you have your lightning, you have your generation mode. You could make it a quality 720p, and yeah, you'll be able to use 150 AI token to do that. So we have fast, and this is 480p 70 AI token, and you could choose in between like portrait, square, portraits, landscape. Yeah, basically. And private mode ensures your images are not visible to the public. So you always ensure that as well. And your advanced settings, you have smooth video. You could add a negative prompt if you have to, and you could have use fixed seed. So what is this? Use the same seed for consistent results, turn off for variation. So use the same seed for consistent results. So now we have this. So what do I want to do? How do you use this fixed seed? So coming back here, let's generate character. So I want to say I want to generate 90s anime character using motion 2.0 fast on Leonardo. Okay, so look at my prompt right here. There's something special about this prompt, and you have use fixed seed using fixed seed and character DNA to achieve consistency. Okay, to achieve consistency across the character sets I will be having with different scenes in view. Need a protagonist and an antagonist, which is a type of character. Antagonist need them to cross paths in two scenes this will strictly be a direct video generation and video animation video generation, hence the fixed seed. Okay, so make sure this fixed seed is very important. So let's look at the prompt. Let's analyze this and see what we have. So remember, I set this already. I've set the motion 2.0 fast to be 90s retro anime already. I'm just giving you an example. You could be creative, you could do more with this. So now I have this as a keyword, and using motion 2.0 fast on Inado, yes, on Inado AI, on Inado.ai, okay, using the fixed seed feature, okay, the fixed seed feature, okay, and character DNA to achieve consistency. Okay, so let's have this sense. Let's see what we have. So you see, these are just basic. You could write it however you want to write it. So you see, this is exactly how you maintain visual continuity across direct animation direction generations. I'll break this down into a clear projection. So we have character design, we have protagonist. So you have your archetype, you have your core identity. Do not change across prompts. Use this exact structure. So we have the code, which is this. Save this as care version 1. So here we have the protagonist and we have the antagonist. So if you were to use this directly, I would have copied that, and the antagonist is right here. So now seed strategy very important for consistent animation. Option A, use same seed for case solo scene, even solo scene, cross paths scenes. This keeps framing and camera language cohesive. So your seed now is this. So seed A, case scenes, seed B, Raven scenes, and seed C. Only do this if composition class too much. Scene structure, you said they must cross path in two scenes. We build protagonist scene 1, scene 2. So now we have scene 1 right now, and here is scene 1, and we have the seed because of what we said. So now I have a seed right here. So I'll copy my seed and make sure my seed is inputted here where you see fixed seed, and that is settled. So coming back here, you could have easily added an image to convert an image directly to video right now, but right now we have the prompts directly. So I'm going to copy the prompt. Let's see how consistent this could be. So here we have this, and the DNA says this. So 90s anime. So let's see. This is protagonist introduction. So let's see if the protagonist has been included. Young male protagonist, sharp silver blue eyes. So let's see in scene 1, maybe that is okay. So yeah, we have the prompt already in it, and let's see what that will be. So I'll copy this for scene 1, which will introduce the protagonist. So let's see if we have a consistent video. So here we are. I just did that. You don't need to enhance your prompt, which is this. All you have to do is to generate what you have to generate. Then there we are. I've chosen this. I chose the number of generation, which should be 1. It shouldn't be in variations. It should not be 4, 2, 3. It should just be 4. So we have that as 1. So I would have gone deeper to scene 2, which is for the antagonist introduction. Then we have a seed right here, which is the 34847 392. So we leave the seed. The seed should still be the same. So there we have this, and here they could cross paths here. So let me just have this sense. So look at the character right here. So this is the anime character. So I could have that downloaded for protagonist. This is the protagonist, of course. And let's do another thing. So let me use this for the second. So I'm going to leave the settings the way it is. So that will generate for the second scene. So we have the first scene, we have the second scene. So let's see what the third scene will be, which is where the two character crosses parts. So here we have these, the seed are still the same. So I'm going to copy this for scene one of them crossing their paths, and rain version, same card identity, text included again, add. So this is another one, this is another scene. So we have scene two right here, and let's see how this goes. So we're going to have the first scene, but let's get the second character right now. As you could see, this is another character right here, and this is another one right now. So this is a new character, and let's see what we have so far. So 90s anime style, hand drawn, okay, detailed young male antagonist. Yes, so we have an antagonist right here, we have our protagonist. So let's make them clash right now. So the first scene makes them clash. Everything stays the same. So let's see if we have a consistent character right away. So we have that right now. We want to make them clash. Then we can do the second scene as well, where they actually clash again. So let's see extra consistency trick. So this is extra consistency trick. It says you should add consistent character model, no redesign, same facial structure, same outfit details. But let's see what our results will be. So this is the antagonist and this is the protagonist, and they all look both the same. So this is how you create a video directly to generate a consistent character. So this is another scene right here. I could have this sent, and as you can see, as I'm doing all these things, my credit is going. As you can see right here, this is my first token, and so far for these I've created, I've used over 200 token already, because I have 8005 token, and this would actually take more of your money than the free option. The free option is the image to video generation. So this says the video might be explicit because of maybe the prompt is aggressive. Well, that is how you can generate a consistent character using a video generator directly. So if you had checked this, I think it's all about a fighting scene and all that. So it wouldn't have been so good to go, because now it says this might be explicit. So we have to leave that at that. But the whole idea is that we have a video and we have a character consistency. You could have done anything with this. Yes, you could have done anything with it. It depends on how creative you are. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.